In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a Notion database to Excel step by step. This is perfect if you want to back up your data, share it with someone who doesn't use Notion, analyze it in Excel, or import it into another tool. The entire process is simple, free, and works on any Notion database. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the database that you want to export. This can be any type of database, such as a table, list, board, or calendar view. Make sure you are inside the actual database page, not just a linked view on another page. Once the database is open, take a moment to confirm that all the data you want to export is visible and up to date. Next, look toward the top right corner of the database. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. This is the main options menu for the database. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several different settings and actions related to your database. From that menu, find and click on the option labeled Export. This tells Notion that you want to download a copy of your database to your computer. After clicking Export, a small export window will appear where you can choose the format for your exported file. In the Export Format options, select Markdown and CSV. This is the most important step if your goal is to use the database in Excel. Notion uses CSV files for databases, and Excel can open CSV files without any issues. Make sure this option is selected before continuing. Once Markdown and CSV is selected, click the Export button. Notion will now process your database and prepare the export. Depending on the size of your database, this may take a few seconds. When it's finished, Notion will automatically download a zip file to your computer. After the download completes, locate the zip file on your device and extract it. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find one or more CSV files. Each CSV file represents a database from Notion. Open the relevant CSV file using Microsoft Excel, and you'll see all your Notion database rows and columns neatly laid out in spreadsheet form. At this point, you can edit the data, create charts, apply formulas, or share the Excel file with others. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Notion database to Excel in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.